Had a wonderful time at the Academy Horlogerie de Creators Independent show yesterday. Met some amazing watchmakers, and they signed this book that I bought at the show. Fantastic meeting them all. Such talented people, the independent watchmakers of today and the future of tomorrow. So inspiring. I can highly recommend the AHCI show to anybody who's in Geneva next year. Please visit it. It's enlightening if you're into watchmaking or watch collecting. You won't find a better show in Geneva. Better than Watches and Wonders, I believe.